Hi students, myself Priya Biani. Today we are going to start our maths first lecture. In that I am teaching you numbers. That means you want to know about each and everything about the numbers. Okay. So in your sixth class, first lesson is knowing our numbers. So all of you know the numbers which are regularly used in your day-to-day life, and anywhere you are going there are numbers is with you. Okay. Some examples are, if you are drinking a water, so how many glass of waters you are drinking, it is also countable by numbers. Another example, if you are studying 2 or 3 hours, that means again this quantity is countable with the numbers. So numbers are a very important thing, or play a very important role in our life. Okay, so one by one we discuss about some topics in numbers. Okay, so firstly we discuss that all these 9 topics in our video. Okay, so first I want to ask you one question: how many numbers can you make? That means up to how many numbers you can make it. Okay, so one by one we discuss all these things given in that video. Okay, then come with me. How many numbers can you make? So greatest, smallest, suppose I am giving you only 2 digits, 1 and 2. No, so 1 comma 2. So how many numbers you can make it with 1 and 2? There are 2 numbers, that means 12 and 21. And I am asking you one question: tell me the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. So all you children know that greatest 3-digit number is 999 and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay, so you want to make any digits according to their descending and ascending order. All of you know ascending and order, that means smallest to greatest, and descending order, that means greatest to smallest. Okay, so in our example, here one example is given to you, that in that example make a greatest and smallest 4-digit number with the help of 4592. These 4 digits are given to you. You want to make a 4-digit numbers, greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. So you tell me which one is the greatest from 6592? 9. Okay, so we are writing first 9, then second one 6, then 5, then 2. So our greatest 4-digit number is 9652. Okay, so how we read it? 9652. Then we are making the smallest 4-digit number. Understand? So here numbers are given same, 6592. So from that you want to select the smallest digit. Smallest digit is 2. Okay. Then 5. Then 6. And then 9. So your 4-digit number is 2569. Understand how you make the different smallest and largest digits from the given digit. Okay. Then we go to our next topic. Proper order, ascending and descending order. Ascending order, I am telling you smallest to greatest. Okay, and descending order, greatest to smallest. Understand? So here one example is given to you. You see that okay, here one example is given to you: 8407, 9554, 8306, 5071. So you want to make the ascending and descending order of these numbers. So which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? 5071. So we are writing it first in ascending order, because in ascending order we want to write down smallest to greatest. Okay. Then you see there, here ascending order is here 5071, then 8306, then 8407, 9554. Then you make the descending order just reverse of this order. Greatest number is 9554, 8407, 8306, 5071. Understand? Okay. Then we go to our next. Shifting digits. Shifting digits, that means exchange the digits to form the smaller and the greatest number. You are giving the 3 digits 496, 496. Okay. With the help of these 3 digits, you want to make the greatest and the smallest digit. So 496. So for making the 496, we have to exchange the digits. How we exchange it? So here you see that 496. So we are first exchanging our 4 at third stage. Okay. That means you want to shift your 4 to the this one. You want to make the greatest digit. Okay. Then we are shifting that 4 here. Then second step is you want to shift that here. That means your greatest 3 digit number is 964. Okay. Understand that? Then is the new number greater than the former one? Yes. Is the new number is smaller than the former one? No. Understand how you shift and make the greatest and smallest digit. Then 1000, 10,000. Okay. In 10,000 you see that there are 5 digits are there. In 10,000 5 digits are there. Okay. So greatest single digit number plus 1. Greatest single digit number. Which one is the greatest single digit number? Is a 9. So 9 plus 1, it's 10. Understand? Then greatest 2 digit number. It is 99. Then 99 plus 1, 100. Then greatest 3 digit number 900 plus 1, 1000. Then greatest 4 digit number 9999 plus 1, 10,000. So how we make it 10,000? 10,000 is equals to greatest 4 digit number plus 1. Understand? Then place value. Place value. First you tell me, all of you know the place chart of our digits. That means ones or units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, then 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and so on. Okay. Here just we are dealing with it up to 10,000. So here units 1, tens 10, hundreds 100, thousands then 10,000. So we are having a one example 54,278. We want to describe it or write the place value of the number. Okay. So here you see that 8 is at a unit place, 7 is at a tens place, 2 is at a 100 place, 4 is at a 1000 place, and 5 is at a 10,000 place. Okay. Then if I ask you write down the place value of the 4 is at a 1000 place. So what we are writing? Place value of the 4 is 4,000. Okay. Then you want to write down the place value of the 7. Place value of the 7 is 70. Then you want to write down place value of the 5. It is 50,000. Understand how you write down? You want to check the place of that digit and then you write down the place value. Okay. Introducing 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is equals to greatest 5 digit number plus 1. Greatest 5 digit number is 99,999 plus 1 is equals to 1 lakh. Understand? So now we want to know that units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, then 10 lakhs. Okay. Then next one, larger number, smallest 7-digit number is called 10 lakh, and the greatest 10-digit number is greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999 plus 1 is equals to 10 lakh, and the smallest 8-digit number is called 1 crore. How we make a 1 crore? Greatest 7-digit number plus 1. Greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999 plus 1 is equals to 1 crore. Okay. Okay. Then we want to see the commas. How do we insert the commas? So there are two systems. First system we are learning Indian system of numeration. Okay, so here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10 lakhs, crores. So commas we distribute as first comma is given after 3 digit. Here you see that first comma is given after 3 digit, and then all the commas are inserted after 2 digit in Indian system of numeration. Okay, so first comma is given from the 3 digits, and then 2 same as. Okay, so this video is about the numbers. So if you having any doubt, then you ask me in our school group. Okay, thank you, take care.